This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the file already saved to OneDrive or SharePoint and autosave enabled. This is essential. Open Excel and load that cloud file. Once open, click the document title in the title bar or go to File, then Info and choose Version History. You're starting the actual retrieval now, don't stop at local files. Doing this routes Excel to the cloud-stored versions so you can view timestamps, editors, and recover past states immediately. You'll see a list of timestamped versions with who saved each one. Click any entry to open it in read-only mode so you can inspect changes. Once loaded, make sure to review the content and compare it to your current file. Use download or make a copy if you want a separate snapshot. If you confirm this is the correct state, note why you're restoring, audit trail or recovery, and proceed, because this step prevents accidental overwrites. When you're ready, click Restore to make that historical version the active file, or choose Save a Copy to keep both states side by side. After restoring, make sure to tell collaborators what changed and why. This maintains context and avoids confusion. If you can't find version history, check that auto-save is on and the file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Local files don't keep cloud versioning. If needed, upload the file to OneDrive and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.